A therapy worksheet is a valuable resource used in therapeutic settings to facilitate self-reflection, promote personal growth, and enhance mental well-being. It is a structured document designed to help individuals explore their thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and relationships in a systematic and guided manner. Therapy worksheets come in various forms and formats, including questionnaires, charts, diagrams, and exercises. They are typically created by mental health professionals such as psychologists, counselors, and therapists, who tailor them to address specific therapeutic goals and objectives. These worksheets cover various topics and therapeutic approaches, including cognitive behavioral therapy, dialectical behavior therapy, and mindfulness-based therapy. They can address anxiety, depression, self-esteem, anger management, communication skills, stress reduction, and relationship dynamics. In addition to their use in therapy sessions, therapy worksheets have gained popularity as a self-help resource. Many websites and books offer free or affordable worksheets that individuals can access and use to support their mental well-being and personal growth. To use our free therapy worksheets, follow these steps. Download our free therapy worksheets from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Set the context. Reflect on the particular situation or issue you want to explore or work on. Understand the relevance of the worksheet to your current thoughts, emotions, or behaviors. Next, read and understand. Take your time to read through the worksheet carefully. Pay attention to any questions, prompts, or exercises provided. Understand the concepts or techniques being introduced. Next is self-reflection. Engage in self-reflection as you fill out the worksheet. Take a moment to pause and think about your thoughts, emotions, behaviors, or relationships related to the specific topic. Be honest and open in your responses. Writing or completion. Write down your answers, thoughts, or observations on the worksheet. This can involve filling in blanks, answering questions, or providing descriptions. Some worksheets may include drawings or visual representations. Next, review and analysis. Once you have completed the worksheet, review your responses. Take a step back to analyze and interpret your thoughts and feelings. Look for patterns, insights, or connections that may emerge from your reflections. Discussion. If you use a worksheet in a therapeutic setting, you may discuss your responses with a therapist or group member. This can provide an opportunity for further exploration, clarification, and feedback. Application. Consider how the insights gained from the worksheet can be applied to your life. Identify any changes you want to make or strategies you want to implement. Next is follow-up. Keep track of your progress and revisit the worksheet as needed. Over time, you may notice shifts in your thoughts, emotions, or behaviors indicating growth or improvement. Here is a sample of our therapy worksheets, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our therapy worksheets, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.